Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts, to Crypto Academy. I'm Professor HODL. On today's episode of Crypto for the Confused, we're diving into the wild world of crypto wallets. This is a beginner's guide on the different types of crypto wallets and how to use them. Crypto Wallets 101. Stay until the end and I will tell you the biggest secret when it comes to understanding crypto wallets. Before we get started, remember, this channel is your compass for navigating the complex waters of crypto. We aim to arm you with knowledge for informed decisions. We're not your financial advisors, we're your professors in the school of crypto. Always approach new information critically. The crypto world is full of myths. We're here to help you separate the gold from the fool's gold. Use our knowledge to make your own decisions, not to blindly follow our charts. With that said, let's dive in. Centralized exchanges are like big shopping malls for crypto where you can buy, sell or trade easily. Think of it like the physical wallet you carry around. You don't carry around your life savings with you every day, right? So don't keep all of your money on exchanges either. They're very user-friendly, which makes them great for beginners. Many of these exchanges have insurance or other security measures to protect your funds from theft. For another layer of security, be sure to set up two-factor authentication. They provide a lot of different trading options. The biggest negative to centralized exchanges is that you don't have control over your funds. As the saying goes, which is like leaving your money in the mall's safe. If the exchange faces issues like a hack or decides to keep your money, you could lose everything. Plus, they might charge high fees for using their services. Next, we have what are called hot wallets. Think of them as your smartphone. They're always online, always connected, and just like your phone, they're perfect for quick transactions. Another way to look at them is like your checking account. You have more money there than in your physical wallet, but you don't keep your life savings in it. Your hot wallet is more secure than centralized exchanges, but there's still some risk involved. Here's the catch. If your phone gets hacked, so does your wallet. Don't be a crypto noob. Enable two-factor authentication for that sweet, sweet peace of mind. So, keep your hot wallet for what you're ready to lose, like your last slice of pizza. And remember, just like you wouldn't leave your wallet on a park bench, don't leave your hot wallet unattended. Also, consider using different wallets for different purposes. One for daily transactions, another for your crypto savings. It's like having separate pockets for your emergency cash and your fun money. Now for the cold wallets. These are like your safe deposit box in a bank, but cooler. They're not connected to the internet, which means they're safer from hackers. Imagine your crypto sleeping peacefully in a vault. Use these for your long-term holdings, like your grandma's secret cookie recipe. When it comes to hardware wallets, think of brands like Ledger and Trezor. These are the Fort Knox of crypto storage. If you're considering buying one, here's a pro tip: never buy from places like Amazon or eBay. There have been instances where these devices were tampered with, turning your vault into a trap. Always buy directly from Ledger or Trezor to ensure you're getting a genuine, secure device. Your digital assets are as precious as that cookie recipe, so treat them with the same level of care and direct acquisition. By the way, there are affiliate links in the description. If you decide to purchase through those links, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for considering it. All right, folks, gather round because here's the real deal. The golden nugget, the crypto equivalent of the holy grail, your seed phrase. This isn't just any secret, it's the secret to your digital treasure chest. Picture this. You're given a list of 12 to 24 words as mundane as cat, sun, or book. These aren't just words, they're your master key to your crypto kingdom. They might look like something you'd find in a kid's first reader, but trust me, they're more valuable than the Hope Diamond. Here's the kicker. Keep this list safer than your grandma's china. If anyone else gets their hands on it, they're not just stealing your lunch money, they're walking away with your entire digital fortune. So, what do? Write it down, sure. But then you've got to treat it like you're hiding the recipe for the world's best cookie. Think of a spot so secure, even Indiana Jones would nod in approval. Maybe a safe, a hidden compartment in your favorite book, or a lockbox that even Houdini couldn't escape from. Remember, Your seed phrase isn't just a password, it's your crypto's life insurance. Guard it like it's the last slice of pizza in a world where everyone else is on a diet. Let's review what we've learned today. Exchanges are like malls where you can trade your crypto. But remember, when your funds are on an exchange, you're not the one in control. Hot wallets are convenient, perfect for quick transactions, but risky if compromised. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are like safe deposit boxes, ideal for long-term storage because they're offline and much harder to hack. And finally, the big secret your seed phrase. This is a list of words that can unlock your wallet. It's crucial to keep this safe. If someone else gets hold of it, they can access your crypto, so hide it away in a secure spot. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, in the world of crypto, your cash could be the star in the crypto world. That's the beauty of it. Stay curious, stay cautious, and keep your digital wallets close. Drop your questions and suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and insightful content here at Crypto Academy.